Alright traders, good day. So today is 23rd of April 2020. We are now live with day trading for S&P futures 500 futures contract June 2020 ESM and 20. So this moment we are on the long position. So based from my live Telegram channel, there's a long position mentioned, which is to go long at 23.50. We already been filled. Alright, so from this one, target is 28.31 based from the Fibol level. And as from my looks good so far, based from my live indicator, we have received this buy call signal. So we are in the good position. So there is a resistance line, the first resistance line over here, which is at 28.26.25. So that's how everything's will work accordingly. So let's take a look on my chart. Alright, okay, so let's have some detail. So based from the current situation, we have received a buy call for NQ as well, already been triggered. This is a US session. The indicator is a US session scalping scalper. This is my own self made indicator, and also for this NQ the order already been filled and try to move up. So this is the first signal appeared during the US session at from 6 a.m. New York time and above. So let's go to this E Mini S&P futures ES chart. Alright, so this is our entry. So hope you guys can see it. So this is the candle which shows you to buy one tick higher than the candle. So based from my signal as well, there's a signal just now alert to mention me that I have to go long. Where's the alert? Let me check. Okay, one moment. So the alert here and mention me to go long for this. Oh, I haven't turned on. Never mind. But we already long on this position. Okay, looks good now. 28.25. So we did enter 23. Not much, 2 points. But so let's wait. Hopefully the price will go towards 28.31. That's the target. Hopefully without any problem and too much pullback. So while waiting, and let's go back to this. So this is based from my self made indicator, which I call it a US session scalper, which is works perfectly during the beginning of US session. So for this market, E Mini S&P, it will begin from 10 a.m. onwards. Okay, let's go take a look on our platform. Alright, so as for now, something's not moving. Latency of the internet connection perhaps. Alright, so I have to refresh it. Okay, let's take a look on this. Okay, so now we already at 27. Our entry is over here, which is at 23. We are about almost 5 points, which is around $25 or 550 $250 US for normal standard account. So while waiting, okay, doesn't look good. Price keep climbing up, and my platform still not. I need to exit my position. Profit good enough actually. Yes, profit good enough. I have to maybe to enter with my mobile phone. Now the price move further down. Something's wrong with my internet connection, so I will pause this video for a while to allow me to exit my position. So 27. Right, traders resume back again. So based from the current situation, we are on the positive side of the market once because we did enter our position, which is from this signal at 2823.50, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, correct. Yeah, from 50. So I'm waiting for my platform to resume back again. Yep, I think it resume back again. So I've managed to queue for the profit target, which is at 28.30, 1 point lower compared to the target is 28.31. So this I've included just now with my mobile phone because my internet connection with my laptop seems problematic at this moment. Still the price is not moving compared to my compared to my trading view chart. It's moving perfectly, so maybe I have to transfer my account over here so I can exit. Let me check how to do it. Something's wrong with this platform, but luckily I have managed to queue my stop loss, which is at over here 28.30. At the moment it will break through, then hit the TV. So this is a scalping method during US session, and this will be a quick and easy one, or maybe you can 31. So it's a reasonable target for this trade. It's too heavy. I'm not sure why is it too heavy. Alright. So I still have to wait. It's not far. And also my platform still not yet working. Still nothing on the screen. Have to go back to, okay, I think we almost hit. So there's a blue candle over here. We almost hit. Okay, we hit. We exit our position. Okay, we hit. Alright, it's a good profit. So the target is 28.30. So based from my Telegram channel as well, I did send the same 28.30. So I think that's it. Hit TP. Oh yeah. Okay, it was a good one. Quite fast. So I think it's a good profit day today. And think about 23.5 around 6 point, or sorry, 7 points. About 7 points, which is a normal standard mini account. You will earn around 350 US dollar. Okay, let's go to my platform. Hopefully, okay. Now it looks better. How to exit this one? Okay. So the purchase and sell for today, not much the profit, 97, because this is micro account, and the normal standard E Mini S&P you will earn around 350 US dollar. So for this one, it's so good. I'm using only 3 micro lot, and one is from the Russell 2000. So it was perfect move. The earlier target is 32. Yep, as well hit the target. So we already have discount at 28.31, at 28.30, and 28.31 is the original target, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, correct. 28.31 is the original target. So 1 point discount and already above 1 point. So market keep getting higher, but we already hit the profit. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment below, and there's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it. Might be useful. And if you're interested to get this indicator or special indicator, please contact me privately, so it can link to your trading view account. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you. Bye bye.